Okay, so check it out. This is the piece, the top of the prow. You know, there's a little bit of a skyscraper starting there, and this started to be printed upside down on that little support with a branch starting to come up and support all the other parts of it. But it had this weird jog right there. Can you see that? It's like a weird little jog in the layers there. You can see it really right there. But since it hadn't gone on for too long, I thought I would restart it. So this is take one, and take two is being printed right now. Okay, so real quick, this is the print, and I'm pretty sure you can see. I'm gonna try and tilt this so that the light doesn't like hide the detail from you. You can see there's really nothing wrong on this side, but if I turn it around this way, there they are. You can see them right there. Don't have them on the other side. Nothing. Nice and smooth. Looks good on this side. So, assuming that it's something's wrong with the model, I decided to open this back up into Blender, take half the model, put a mirror modifier on it, and just flip it. You know, flip it around so that both sides are like this. You know, both sides match. I don't know if that's gonna matter or if that's something that the printer's just doing. And we're gonna save it again and see how that works. Here we go, and I'm just gonna save that again as a G code. Saving. Okay. And the next time it prints, I'll bring it back up here, I'll show you, and then hopefully I won't have this problem. I might have to download a driver or something for the printer, but we shall see.
Recall! You know what to do! Yes, sir! Do it, Recall!